We feel really grateful and fortunate to be back and be part of Designer Showhouse 2020. This is a cause that is actually really close to our hearts because the profits from all the Showhouse, the visits, will go towards Habitat for Humanity Denver that builds homes for underprivileged families. So last year we had so much fun doing the master bedroom that we couldn't wait to come back. So for this year we were awarded the library/study. Definitely wanted to go a little bit more bold than last year. We wanted to make it colorful. So when it came to the point that we started designing this room, I think the vision was women entrepreneur, traveler, independent, very self-aware of her own space, and somebody who's been collecting art and collecting items through her travels. So that's kind of how we started the design and the vision for this study. So we found this beautiful butterfly wallpaper that it was the starting point for our design. We wanted to make sure that we added some paneling just to make it feel a little bit timeless as well, but we wanted to have some fun with the bookshelf library, and we came across with this very geometrical but symmetrical at the same time. Of course, we added a pop of color with this beautiful green. We took the opportunity to incorporate our new furniture line, Sorella, in the space, so there is a number of pieces that you can see throughout. We can start with the desk. We went with a very sculpture feeling base, black powder coated metal base that we had designed, and just a clear top glass. We wanted to have that feeling that is floating in there. Also, we have an accent chair from our collection, the Iki chair, as well as the bench that is just centered with the window and facing the front of the house. This is the Boltini bench that definitely brings that element of sophistication into this space. We also have accent pillows from our MB Home collection just to display how colorful and how fun it is to bring different materials, unexpected materials together through the space.